when it comes to managing food waste, look, we will never get away from food waste. The reality is it's always going to be there. But there are tools to manage it more responsibly. And working with the ReLoop guys, it's been really great over the past month to see how the team's mindset has changed. To create change, you need a collective will. And that's something we're excited about building here, because I think we've seen real positive over the last month.
I'm Luciano Fontana. I'm the General Manager of Sofitel Dubai The Obelisk. Today our clients are asking us about green credentials. Our guests and employees are asking about green initiatives. And in Sofitel Dubai The Obelisk, we have certain initiatives that we already start to be like zero food waste, eliminate the single plastic use, recycle glass, recycle paper. Those are some of the measures that we take from the hotel.
My name is Russell Impiazzi. I am the executive chef here at the wonderful Sofitel Dubai The Obelisk. Minimising the whole process of food production. I think if we can manage that better and be smart with how we work with the teams, how we work with supply chains, I think the natural benefit of that is we will reduce food waste. As an industry, we are not good enough. That's the reality, and we have to accept where we're at. We've got this, or had historically, a throwaway mentality, and until that changes, nothing will change. But we're fortunate enough here to work with great partners where we have the will to create positive change, and that starts really by sharing great stories. We've managed to really be impactful over the past 12 months by working with various partners that have helped us transform food waste into real positives, and working with the UAE Food Bank, who are an amazing partner. We've managed to turn potential surplus waste into 8,500 meals this year, which is a huge accomplishment for the team.
I'm Nirosha. I'm Food Safety Manager of Sofitel Dubai The Obelisk. As an organization, we are socially responsible. The health and safety measures of our hotel should not stop end at our hotel. It should extend to where our waste is reaching, because we are socially responsible.
To do nothing, quite frankly, is irresponsible. And as I said earlier, as an industry, we are inherently bad, and we have to face that reality. I've heard the word sustainable so many times over the past year that it's becoming really frustrating for me to keep hearing that, and yet nothing changes. And that we have to be better. And luckily, by working with the right partners, you can make a change, but you've got to really want to.
My name is Caston. I am the Chief Steward at Sofitel Dubai The Obelisk. We are very proud of the initiative that we have taken on with ReLoop when it comes to giving back to the planet Earth, to the community, to our future generations. It is very important that we do the right practices.
For us, it's all about having the right plan with concrete targets and metrics. We make sure that there are the right trainings in place. We try to support in order to find the right suppliers, the right logistics, the right partners.
Segregation was our challenge, making sure that the whole team bought into it. But obviously when you've got these big bright red thing in the middle of the kitchen that says food waste only, it makes it a lot easier. I like the plant-based bin as well. I think that's a big help in certain areas of the kitchen, the operation. It certainly helps. But yeah, it's been pretty easy to implement.
When I saw the ReLoop effort, what they are doing and all these things, we were so interested. And we came to know that moment our food waste is going to the landfill, and we can do something on that. We can reduce the environmental effect of our food waste. And we were so interested, and we called the team. They came and meet us. Then they made a huge effort in training our staff. The app is very easy to use, very interesting, and it gives a complete traceability on what is our food waste, the amount of food waste, and the environmental impact of the food waste.
The dashboard gives you everything you need to know. The less messing around makes it a lot more user-friendly. Once you overcomplicate things, you don't get the buy-in of the team, because it's hard work. But it's not. It's really easy to use, and what I love is real-time data. And when you really study the data, the amount of food waste you're generating, even when you think you're doing a half-decent job with controlling it, you're really not. That's the honest assessment at the end of this. You know, to have over 20 tons of food waste at the end of 5 or 6 weeks was shocking for me. And I think it was shocking for the rest of the team as well to see the data, to see the numbers. But it was also incredibly positive for the team to see how we're using that massive negative of a huge amount of food waste and how we've turned that negative into a positive of using as a usable compost.
We are proud to be a part of this process and we know that we are contributing to the environmental and the global human cause.
Zero waste.
It is possible.
We started,
And so can you.